Well, look where I'm at now. That was the gaping great hole. I've got a funky green light. Got my bench moved over there. I've got, oops, finger. I've got this one here, which is going to come in behind me. Hold on a minute. What did I just say? Oops. Edit that bit. Yeah, cut that bit out. Cut that bit out. That was wrong. Yeah, this bench is going to be down here once I move that lot. So that'll be along here. Then the door's there. Yeah. Wall. New wall. Made out of, what's it called? Oh yeah, it's down here, look. Smart Golf, world's #1 indoor golf simulator. Unbelievable stuff. Anyway, rest of my junk. I've got some shelving, which is better than nothing. A bit more space than what I had before now. So I'll be able to sort through all of this eventually, slowly, bit by bit. Can't do it too fast. I'm absolutely aching today. I've had help doing this afternoon. I had 3 extra pairs of hands come in and basically do whatever I told them. So that was a great help, because I haven't been able to do too much. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Moving on.